Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated goofy lamp, and this is Bruce's equipment from Illinois, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool lamp. We want to run through a little bit about what's going on with this unit. When you turn the lamp on, Goofy is supposed to be going through an animation, and so basically what happens is he's just clicking. So the lamp is not working properly, it just clicks. So we want to go ahead and troubleshoot the main PC board, and we also want to troubleshoot the servo and gear cluster. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool animated goofy lamp, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repair of this really cool animated goofy lamp, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that you always want to make sure that the main power switch at the back of the base of Goofy is in the off position when you plug the electrical cord into an outlet or unplug the electrical cord from an outlet. The electronics that are associated with this type of lamp are pretty delicate, and you want to make sure that that switch is in the off position. You also want to make sure that you turn this unit off if you're going to let the unit sit for a long period of time. Now what we can do is go ahead and start our final checkout. We've already plugged the lamp into an electrical outlet, and we've turned the main power switch on. So we're ready to go ahead and turn the unit on.
Well, that's better. Now I can see what I'm doing. Yep.
We want to wait a little bit. It's not good to turn these lamps on real quickly, so we'll go ahead and give it a second. We'll turn Goofy back off. And Goofy has a lot of cool sayings when you turn the light on and when you turn it off. We'll go ahead and turn the unit back on.
Hello? Hello?
We'll give that a second. Turn the unit back off.
Oh, where'd you go?
Turn the unit back on.
Yep, things are looking brighter already.
Go ahead and turn the unit off.
Gosh, sure is dark all of a sudden.
And we'll turn the lamp on one more time.
I got a bright idea. Just have to remember what it is. Yep.
Now that we know that this really cool animated goofy lamp has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Bruce and they can enjoy this really cool lamp once again. I'm sure Goofy's going to look great wherever he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.